I'm Phil Martino. Shulman Law Firm in Toronto says there's a new trend that shows the number of adult children supporting their aging parents financially is on the rise. Rick Patika is a family lawyer at Shulman.
It's actually an increase over the last little while. It's probably increased from what I've seen about 15 to 20%. There's a host of reasons. People working longer and not still being able to make ends meet, so they often rely on family or their children.
But what happens if that parent plans to live with someone or remarry? Patika says there are potential pitfalls when it comes to providing monetary support to an aging parent in a new relationship.
The issues really happens if the aging or elderly parent decides to cohabit, and it's usually cohabit. But in the rare case, they remarry, and often either they're widows or they've gone through a previous divorce. And if they enter into a new relationship, really the adult children giving the money to the aging parent could be subject to division if that new relationship ends.
Patika says there are ways you can protect yourself and your parent.
Typically, the best advice we can give them is to get everything in writing, have a cohabitation agreement. If they're marrying or they've going to marry, have a marriage contract in place, which basically sets out how that money is going to be divided, if it is at all, or it will be excluded if that relationship should end.
Rick Patika is a family lawyer at Shulman Law Firm. At the Business Center, I'm Phil Martino.